Namaste parents and children. Welcome back to the fun-filled activity with learning on Friday's session. So today we have selected one wonderful topic on transport. So what the parents need to do is, please take an identical jar which is transparent, or you can also take the glass coffee lotas or something which is of glass. Take a transparent one and fill one with sand and one with the water. Lightly add a blue color for this, and one empty because it's air. So land, water and air. So I will be sending you this sheet which has the water transport, air transport and land transport. So you need to cut the individual pictures. Right parents? And let's start the experiment. Parents, now I've cutted the sheets into an individual pictures, and you have to make an arrangement writing in a blank sheet of paper, that is land, water and air, and put the glasses or a jar, whatever you have selected, accordingly. Now the child needs to take a picture one by one. Ask the child, what is this picture? So let the child tell. So most of the children knows, or else you introduce there. In the end of the every sheet there is a name of that particular vehicle, right? So this is hot air balloon. So this goes in the air. So let the child keeps under air. So the next thing is kayaka. So kayaka is a rowing boat. So where it goes? Yes, it goes under water. The next thing, this is the spaceship. Where does the spaceship go? In the space, and it's in the air, right? Yes. The next thing is pram. So the pram is the land transport. The next is truck. Where does a truck go? On the water? No, right? It goes on the land. The next picture is the ferry. Ferry is the boat kind of a thing where you can also go from one end to another end, taking your vehicles, taking your bicycle, taking your motorbike and everything, right? Where does this go? This go under water transport. So parents, likewise, I have arranged everything. So what and all comes under the air transport? Hot air balloon, spaceship, helicopter, cable car, jet, rocket. Yes, underwater transport, you have kayaka, ferry, boat, ship, battleship and royal cruise. Under the land transport, you have a pram, truck, train, cart, car, bicycle. So M3 children, please take your scrapbook, and then you need to cut these which has been already provided in the sheet that I will be sending. You need to cut that and put it here. Land or road transport, water transport, air transport. So kindly stick all these things in the individual scrapbook, land, water and air. M1 and M2 children, kindly do this arrangement, and I will also be sharing you a sheet of air, water and land. So air, you have to leave the blank. Water, you have to color the blue color. Land, brown color. So you can, your wish, whichever color you wanted to put for the vehicles, you can do it. And please do this worksheet. If this is a car, where does the car go? On the land. So please put the line to a land. And bike, where does the bike go? Bike goes on the land. Where does the boat go? On the water. Where does the aeroplane go? Aeroplane goes under the air. So once please kindly finish the worksheet and send the picture. So hope you enjoy this activity. Parents, it's a wonderful activity. Kindly make the children to do this. Namaste, parents.
Land transport, water transport, cable car, air transport, royal cruise,
water transport,
ship, water transport, truck, land transport, battleship, water transport,
what transport?
road transport,
Okay, then
water transport,
okay,
rocket, air transport,
okay, cart,
road transport,
okay, cruise, correct it is, boat,
transport,
क्या है?
ये फ्लाइट,
हेलीकॉप्टर
हेलीकॉप्टर,
कहाँ चलता है?
ऊपर,
एयर।
एयर,
नेक्स्ट,
बोट,
कहाँ चलता है?
पानी में,
वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट।
वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट,
स्टिक हियर।
यस, कार, बाइसाइकिल,
रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट,
रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट, स्पेसशिप, बोट,
boat comes under
वाटर,
water transport.